Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is Freddy Matanzela and welcome to Maths 1. Today we'll be doing differentiation and we'll be doing chain rule. With chain rule, what you need to know is that when you differentiate, you need to differentiate from the outer part to the inner part. This thing we call it a chain rule because it's like a what? A chain. You differentiate here, you differentiate here, you differentiate here, etc., etc. So with this, you'll start by differentiating what? The outer part. You'll take this part as your x or your y to the exponent of 4. Then after differentiating, you come to the what? To the inner part. So let's do it in practical. So let's say we take x as what? Let me use another alphabet. Let me say p as 3x squared minus 5. So that means I'm having what? I'm having y is equals to what? To p to the power what? Of 4. Then I'll differentiate this. When I differentiate this, I'll say 4 multiplied by what? By 1. Then I will have what? The derivative is what? Is 4p to the power what? To the power of 3, because I will take 1 from my what? From my exponent. Then, because I said p is equals to what? To 3x to the power 2 minus 5, I will say 4 multiplied by what? By 3x to the power 2 minus 5 to the power what? 3. Now I have to differentiate where? My inner part. To differentiate my inner part, I'll say 2 multiplied by 3x, I'll get what? 6x. Then I take 1 from my what? From my 2, then I'll have 6x. Then is equals to 4 multiplied by 6x is equals to what? Is equals to 24. 24x multiplied by what? By 3x to the power 2 minus what? 5 to the power 3. This is your answer. You have derived using what? A chain rule. So, coming to this is tricky. But what you need to do, you need to change your square root into what? Into an exponent. So I'll say y is equals to 3x squared minus 1 to the power 1 over 2. When I multiply 1 over 2 and 1 here, I'll get what? 1 over 2 x. Then it's what? 3x squared minus 1. Then when I take 1 from my half, I will have what? A negative 1 over 2 multiplied by the derivative of this. 2 multiplied by this, I will have what? I will have 6x. Then now 6x multiplied by 1 over 2, I will have what? 3 multiplied by what? 3x squared minus 1 to the power negative 1 over 2. So since when you're deriving, you shouldn't have a negative exponent, I will take this and make it positive and make it my what? My denominator. So I'll write it as 3 over the square root of 3x squared minus 1. Then this should be my what? My answer. So this is how you derive a what? A chain rule. I thank you.